Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today I took a trip to Walmart and decided to finally pick up some of the mystery pack models. I started off by looking at the Monster Jam mystery trucks. This was Series 2 and there are 8 different trucks to collect. They include a little launcher and a sticker that look pretty cool, so I decided to grab a couple of these. There were also some Series 1 trucks mixed in here as well, so I decided to grab 2 of the Series 1 and 2 of the Series 2 trucks to get some variety. But I was most excited to find some of the brand new 2018 Hot Wheels mystery models. It includes a car and a sticker, and it looks like there are a total of 12 cars in the series. So I decided to pick up 4 of the Hot Wheels mystery models, as well as 2 of the Series 1 Monster Jam trucks and 2 of the Series 2 trucks. Now it's time to open one up, starting with the 2018 Hot Wheels mystery model. It looks like our first mystery model is the red Super Volt, which also happens to be number 8 from Series 1. Next, I think we should open up one of the Monster Jam mini mystery trucks. So the awesome little monster truck we got is the Monster Mutt, which is one of my favorite Monster Jam trucks. And you can also launch your little Monster Mutt using the key that comes in the package. You stick it in the back and press the button and it fires right out. Alright, now it's time for another Hot Wheels mystery model. I really like the color of this one. We have the baby blue color with orange wheels and orange windows, and this one is number 7, Chicane. Up next, we're going to take a look at one of the Series 2 Monster Jam mystery trucks. I am so glad I got this one. Of course, this is one of the most famous Monster Jam trucks out there, the Grave Digger, in an awesome green and purple color. I'm starting to feel pretty lucky, so let's take a look at our next Hot Wheels mystery model. This speedy green and yellow Formula 1 car is called Carbide, and it's also number 3 in the mystery model series. We've got 3 mystery packs left, so let's open up a Series 1 Monster Jam truck. It appears we have ourselves another little mini Grave Digger, this time a black color variation compared to the purple version we got in Series 2. We are down to our last Hot Wheels mystery model, so let's open it up and see what we got. This is our first Hot Wheels mystery model based on a real-life car. It's number 6, the Lancia Stratus. We have one more pack to open, and it's a Series 2 Monster Jam mystery. This is the Monster Mutt Dalmatian, which I think is the perfect playmate for our other Monster Jam truck. Overall, I think that's a very good haul of Hot Wheels mystery models and Monster Jam mystery trucks. I think it was a ton of fun opening these up, and if you guys want to see more like this, be sure to leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.